Hello, everyone. I want to share with you, I want to share with my followers and my subscribers, and I also want to support the little people that are continuously getting screwed by elite politicians that are incapable of putting actions into play to help the people who need it the most. The people who are getting hurt the most with this pandemic, but I call plandemic, and I will update videos to back up that claim very soon. But the point is, I'm sick of listening to their talk. I mean, what are we supposed to do at this point? I mean, I'm really grateful I'm okay, but I put myself in that position. Go freedom and capitalism. What are we supposed to do? Wait until the presidential inauguration at the second half of January? I forget what date it is. But you know what I'm saying? Are we supposed to hang in there until then? They don't seem to be taking care of the people who need it the most. But those elite politicians, they haven't missed a paycheck. They're not sacrificing. They're not suffering. I think it's a bunch of BS. So what I'm doing, and if you follow me, you know I really wanted to do this year. I was living without to have something more nice and just have a small car payment if need be. Real short and sweet. I was going to get an updated car. I made the decision I'm not doing that. Why do it? I'm living in an oppressed economy that's being forced not to, I guess, thrive, succeed. And not in just the field I'm doing. I mean, good thing I have an online business. But I mean, just watching what's going down with people that really do live paycheck to paycheck. They're suffering. Meanwhile, there's no stimulus going out to them. There's no financial help weekly. And it's the little people getting screwed the most. Are they going to discuss it and talk until the holidays are over? Because if they do that, this economy, it dives even more. It should thrive over the holidays. This should have been a time of relief, some kind of hope. Don't you think? They're giving less and they're hurting more. I think it's being done on purpose, and for many reasons. They're incapable of holding their position in power. They should all be fired, and they should all not receive a paycheck until they make up their minds. Now, if the government closes down, I guarantee they'll get to work because they don't want to miss their paycheck. It's disgusting. So I've made a decision. I don't want to go spend thousands of dollars for an updated car. I was either going to buy like a new used car or a brand new car. I wasn't sure yet. I'm not doing that now. My car's at the shop right now. I say, can you fix that? Can we do it on the cheap? I'm going to drive it around one more winter. Then I'll have you look over all the belts, the fluids, put a few bucks into it, and just shut up and drive it. I'll do it in another 6 months. No problem. Why should I give back to the economy that's being forced to fail? It's pointless, counterproductive. Don't you think? Thank you for listening. I just want you to know that this is the way I'm taking a stand against what's going on. It's so ridiculous. It's past ridiculous. Who are they to control all the people? I mean, who the hell are they? Well, I'm a person who's going to take action. I'm not going to help rebuild the economy. It's counterproductive. It's pointless. So I'll be driving my old car a little bit longer. Whether they fix that part or not. I'm hoping they do. Okay. I'll be around. Guys, I hope you're not struggling harder than you need to because of people being, they are incompetent of doing their job right. They should not hold their titles. They're not qualified. I'll see you in the next video clip. Take care, folks. Bye.